Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can send fun and creative direct messages using the search bar on Instagram DMs, you'll see later. If you select Instagram DMs and just type in whatever you want, I just basically typed in hello there. So there's like a search button, like a magnifying glass icon on the left there, and you're just going to select it. And as you can see, you can choose from the hearts one. There's like this ring one or something. There's the fire one, and also there's like a good one where if you press it, you'll be able to open the message. So I'm just going to select this one, and as you can see, you won't see the messages yet, but if you press on it again, it's going to open to reveal the message, and that's how you can make your DMs a little bit more fun and exciting, I guess. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!